We make a rhubarb pie. So we put in some rhubarb, strawberries, vanilla extract, get a good pure vanilla extract, some dark brown sugar, and some cinnamon, and then put a little cornstarch to thicken it up.
Just to thicken it up,
yeah.
get the pectin going, right?
Exactly, and so this is what it ends up as. It's almost like a really thick jam.
The mommy will always poke the holes in the
Thank you,
Mommy will kick your butt.
No, I ain't got nothing to do. You're gonna let me poke these holes.
Wait. No sibling rivalry
First
here.
daughter.
Are we laying this?
Yeah, we're doing a nice, pretty lattice crust, really, because it's so beautiful.
Oh, a lattice crust.
Yeah.
And the lattice crust is done. We're going to do an egg wash.
This is in the book as well, the perfect pie crust, and it's really super simple.
Look at that. So while they're talking, I've dished myself up a piece of pie.